Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2016 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.